Hi everybody, I'm Paula and today I'll be making an easy tote bag that is a good alternative to plastic bags. I hope you like this video and I would highly appreciate if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. For this project you will need some fabric, interfacing, bias tape, a measuring tape, and a pencil. For the sides, cut 2 rectangles of fabric that are 80 by 35 centimeters or 31 by 14 inches. Cut 2 rectangles of interfacing that are 40 by 35 centimeters or 16 by 14 inches. Place the interfacing on top of the wrong side of the fabric and fold the rest of the fabric, then pin it and sew it. For the base, cut a long rectangle of fabric that is 22 by 118 centimeters or 9 by 46 inches. Cut a rectangle of interfacing that is 11 by 118 centimeters or 4.5 by 46 inches. Place the interfacing inside the rectangle of fabric. Cover one of the ends of this rectangle with bias tape and sew it. For the straps, cut 2 long rectangles of fabric that are 8 by 52 centimeters or 3 by 20 inches, as well as 2 interfacing rectangles that are 2.5 by 54 centimeters or 1 by 21 inches. Place the interfacing on the middle and wrap it. Fold the fabric that is on top so that the raw edge is not visible. Pin it and sew it. Pin the base of the bag to one of the sides. When you get to the corners, pin rotating to create rounded corners when you sew it. Cut the excess of the fabric of the base and add bias tape. Sew with a straight stitch. Place the other side of the bag on top of the beginning of the base and sew it. Then continue to match the side with the base and sew it. apply bias tape to all the raw edges. When sewing the bias tape, make sure to rotate to keep the rounded edges. And finally attach the straps to the bag. So here's the final result. I wanted to let you know that from now on, I'll be posting 2 versions of the tutorials, one in English and the other in Spanish. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video.